Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is Rob Menghini from Lowborn Classic Vehicles. Today I can proudly show you my stunning Suzuki Gt380B. The side panels have been coloured in blue to match the tank, like on the A models, which I think looks better. It's been fitted with Higspeed Exhaust, which sounds absolutely awesome. I will fire it up later and show you. I've only just wheeled it here to start making the video, and it's cold, nothing's been fired up yet, so I will show you how it works, how easy it is to start. It's been fully restored to Concours restoration standards. Everything on it is absolutely beautiful. I'll walk around it to show you all the headlight and the ears. What I quite like is actually the way they've polished all the brake and clutch levers. All the brackets have all been highly polished. It's really nice, quite effective actually. It's got brand new switchgear, new old stock. All in all, it's lovely. The paintwork was done by Dream Machine, I believe, because it is absolutely beautiful. Even if you look at underneath the tank, it's just finished off glorious. Usually they're a bit of a mess around here because they used the wrong paint and lacquers, and the petrol can affect it, but this one's beautiful. There we go, all the wheels have been rebuilt, stainless spokes. It's got brand new front and rear fenders, well, chrome plated. New seat cover. You'll be hard to find a nicer example, to be honest with you. I've had a few of these in the past, but I think this is probably the best one I've had. I can't fault it at all. All the badges are original and beautiful. Particularly like the switchgear. Lovely original front fender with the actual twin support brackets. The polishing is very nice, and it's powder coated frame. One key fits all, the steering lock and all, which is quite amazing. I'll show you that now. Probably need two hands. There we go, that's the same key. And underneath, how clean is that? Just beautiful. The guy who restored it was very particular. He even put you can see he's got PPF on the front here so it doesn't scratch when the seat goes down. Good little move that, to be honest. All shiny, lovely. So even if I take this off, it's even got the original toolkit. There we go. And the steering lock as well. That works. Hold on. That is on the other key, but there we go. Actually works, and it secures the bike. Very clever. Right, moment of truth. It's a cold start. Straight in. I'll show you. It's a bit noisy, so I might wake the people up next door because it's an old people's home. Never mind. It's Father's Day, so what? Here we go. So, choke on is up. Fuel's always on. Might sit on this. Ignition. Let's give it a little kick. How beautiful is that? Absolutely lovely. That sound is incredible. Ticked over a tree, and that was from cold. Has not been started at all today. Always starts first time. Well, there we have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, as there's many more to follow. But as you can see, this bike is a pure dream. I love it. Hope you did too. Cheers.